Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing alright. I'm very happy to announce that Pico has a new update. What I read in the update notes is that they improved the battery saving mode, the performance of it. They improved the hand tracking and the controllers. They also updated some other minor issues and also the performance of the device. So I'm going through the menu and I also see that they added another option here, which is auto wake. So you can turn that off if you don't want the device to turn on automatically when you put it up on your head. I have it turned on because it's much easier. I don't have to press here in order for it to start working. Then what else? Let's see. What I noticed is the virtual environments. They added 1, 2, 3, 4 new virtual environments. That's great. I love it. So yeah, let's check this one first. Oh, looks nice. Oh, is it Jupiter? I can change here the background. I want to set one that doesn't cause so much lens reflection. I think this one is good. Okay, you can also adjust the angle. I think that was not possible before. It's spinning. Let's check this one. Wow. Kinda cartoonish. Okay. This one. It's kind of the same, different colors, darker. Chinese New Year. Let's see this one. Oh, can we move here? Yeah. Oh, there's fireworks. Wow, Happy New Year! Happy New Year! When was Chinese New Year? Wasn't that a long time ago already? What are we now? March. It's March the... Yeah, I don't even know. March the 2nd. Oh, okay. Let's see. Okay, got some Chinese art there, I guess. Okay. They also added avatar clothes, and you can also change your face and your hair and the color. It's very nice. Good job, Pico. And maybe I'm just imagining, but I kind of think the picture is a little bit better in the menu at least. And yeah, I have some other good news. There's an update for a very nice game that probably everybody has that got the Pico 4. The Walkabout mini golf. Yeah, they increased the resolution finally. Maybe there's some other things they added, but I didn't find them yet. Let's see. Backup data to cloud. Oh, okay. Well, I don't know if that was here before already. Let's check the lab. So yeah, this is what they updated. The battery saver mode for better performance. And I think that's all. So yeah, guys, I'm very happy about it, and I hope you're also. I hope you won't experience any problems with the new update, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. Bye bye.